Hello everyone, I am Rahul. In this video, we will understand logical operators. In this video, we will understand how can we use AND, OR and NOT with the tables. Now, if you want to find employees who are having salary greater than 50,000 and who live at Mumbai. Now if you want to check both the condition, then you need to use AND. So what AND operator will do is, it will return the output if both the conditions specified will be true. Means if it gets the result of both the conditions specified, it will give the output. In case of OR, suppose you want to find employee who is having salary greater than 50,000 or live at Mumbai. So, OR condition will check if any of the condition matches, means any of the condition is true, then it will give the output. And NOT will give the output of inverse, means if you want to retrieve the employee who do not live at Mumbai, then you will use NOT operator. So how can we use all these logical operators in Oracle? We will see in this video. Now we will understand some logical operators. Suppose we have one employee table. These are the records for the employee table. Logical operator contains operators like AND, OR, NOT. Some we will understand certain range searching operators also. But primarily we will understand AND, OR and NOT operator. Now according to this data, if I want to find records of employees who live in city Anand and whose salary is less than 17,000, who lives in Anand and whose salary is less than 17,000. So if I want to retrieve such record, then what I'll do is I'll use AND operator. Select star from employee where city equal to Anand. Now I'll use AND operator and salary is less than 17,000. So it will check both the condition, city equal to Anand and salary is less than 17,000. So the record with the city Anand, it is E05 record, but salary is 18,000. So condition will not satisfy over here. So only E02, the record 2, will be retrieved from the employee table. So AND gives the output when both the condition mentioned satisfies. Now what if we want to have record if any of the condition satisfies? AND operator is used to combine two or more conditions in where and having clause. AND requires all conditions to be true to consider entire clause true. Now we will look at the OR operator, which requires any one condition to be true to consider entire clause true. Let's look at the example. Select star from employee where
city equal to Anand or city equal to Surat. So in this case, if any condition is true, Anand, so we have both the records with the city Anand here, both E02 and E05, and Surat E04. Clear? So in this case, OR operator is used to combine two or more conditions in where and having clause. OR requires any one condition to be true to consider entire clause true. Now NOT operator. NOT operator will work like, NOT operator will be used to negate the result of any condition or group or conditions. As for example, select star from employee where not city equal to Anand. So we will be having the records whose city name is not Anand. Means we are let's have all the records on screen. We have mentioned not condition, means the records we want to retrieve where city name is not Anand. So we have two records over here of Anand and one is null. So we will be having three records as an output in this not condition. So not operator used to negate the result of any condition.
Here are some important practicals available for this tutorial. In this video, we have seen how can we use AND operator, NOT operator and OR operator. So, if we want to match both the conditions, we will use AND. If we want to check any one condition, we will use OR. And if we do not want to get the desired output, means if we do not want any data, we will use NOT operator. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you will try these on your own, and if you find any difficulty, let us know in comment section. Thank you.